how to fix not receiving WhatsApp notifications. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve missing notification issues on your Android device. First, long press on the WhatsApp app icon and tap on App Info. After that, tap on Notifications to open the notification settings for WhatsApp. From there, make sure all notification categories are toggled on. At this point, if any are turned off, toggle them back on to restore notifications. In the next step, go back to the main settings page. Following this, tap on Notifications. Once done, tap on Do Not Disturb and make sure it is completely turned off. From here, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. At this stage, tap on Settings and then tap on Notifications. After this, make sure all notification sounds and alerts are enabled inside the app as well. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to reboot your device and apply all the changes. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you fix your missing notifications, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.